Kitten, what are we filming? Hey guys, welcome back to Planet Joe. A little bit of a different setup here because I'm doing more of a vlogs type of video, and I'm also losing daylight pretty quickly, so I didn't want to waste all that time setting up like a full camera setup and everything, so I'm just doing vlog style for you today. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jordan. I talk about planning, lifestyle, and organization on this channel. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I upload new videos every Thursday, and today's video I'm kind of taking you on a tour of my office. I use air quotes because those are both really strong words to describe what I have going on. I am a recent college graduate, so I kind of have a very small living space. I live in a really small 2-bedroom apartment, and I kind of just have to make do with what I have. So I will be showing you my office, desk, vanity, closet, whatever you want to call it. And I'll be linking all the products that I use in the description, so be sure to check that out if you're interested in my tiny closet, office, desk, vanity. Yeah, all of those words could be used to describe what I have, so stay tuned. Okay, so just getting right into it, I want to show you a little bit of my room. So over here we have my boyfriend's desk. He streams on Twitch, so he has a bigger setup for his PC and his dual monitors, his speaker, and keyboard. He has some really nice equipment here, so that's why he has a bigger setup than I do, because he needs it. And yeah, over here I have my Erin Condren calendar for 2020, plant, TV, but in here is the real thing. So this looks like a closet, very small closet. And over here we have some clothes, bags, up there, clothes, suitcase, etc. And over here, more closet things, some keepsakes up there, bath towels, washcloths, belts, ooh, planning stuff. So in this cigar box right here I have my washi tape, and then some little notebooks. In here I have my Crayola Super Tip markers, and I have some other notebooks over here, old bullet journals, colored pencils, Staedtler fine liners, and other Muji notebooks, I think. And then down here, beach towels and scarves, and then my sheets, massage roller, travel gear, some pants I need to hem, my journal, a towel that I use for wiping my hands when I have makeup on them, a headband that I use for putting on makeup to get my hair out of my way, and let's get into the desk slash vanity setup. So I'll just give you a nice pan. I have a stool. I got this stool from Amazon. It has some storage inside. The desk itself I got from IKEA. I'll link it in the description. And the shelf that I use for my makeup products I got from Amazon. Same with the light. And then up here, as you can see, I decorated with some pictures, myself, my friends, some Erin Condren quote cards. I really want to get some more of those because I think they look so cute up here, and then I get to see them every day. Parker took that photo of me for his film photography class for his final. I really like it. More quote cards, cute photos. Yeah, I just kind of really wanted to have something to look at every day of all the people that I loved. So now we have this shelf where I keep all of my products that I use regularly. All of these are cruelty free. Highly recommend them. I have this quote board that I got from my FabFitFun subscription a few seasons back. I can't remember which season, but it has a nice little quote on it. I have to change it to be something seasonal, I think. And I have my makeup brushes and a cute little bunny mug, a corgi coaster, and all of my pens and pencils. This right here I use to hold my phone. It's actually an antique. I got it from my great-grandma. And it was originally a picture frame, picture holder thing, but it fits my phone perfectly when I'm just doing like work in here or doing my makeup. And this stool is just for my kitchen. I don't know where I got it. Probably Facebook Marketplace or something like that. So these lights are really cool because I can dim them, brighten them, and then dim them depending on what I'm doing. If it's my makeup, I like to have it bright because it lights up my face pretty nicely, and dimmer if I'm just doing work at night. So this desk is really cool. I got it from IKEA, like I said, and it is a vanity, technically. So if you open this part up, there's a mirror, as you can see right here, and then all of my makeup fits really nicely in there. Sorry, it's kind of a mess, but again, all cruelty-free stuff. And then in here, there's a drawer. I have my hair ribbons, hair ties, glasses cleaner, moisturizers. This is one of the only products that I have that is not cruelty-free, but I got it well before I was cruelty-free, and I'm still not done with it. It lasts a really long time, so once I am done with it, which should be soon, I'm just gonna throw it away, not use it again, not repurchase. So, as you can see, there's a little rail up here, which is where you would hang clothes, as this would be, you know, the other part of your closet, but we just don't happen to have a lot of hanging clothes, so it fits perfectly right on the other side. So this is where I do my makeup every morning and where I do my planning. I film here as well, as you might be able to notice. I rig a tripod up here, and then it looks down right here. And then up here, all of our Disney hats, so many, and then keepsakes. But it's really nice. I really like it. I'll give you one more zoomed out pano look at it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every Thursday, and next week I will be doing my November plan with me. So stay tuned, and thanks.